today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your survey results from SurveyMonkey using their official export tools. Exporting your data allows you to analyze responses more deeply, share insights easily, and use your results across different platforms. Before we begin, it's important to note that downloading survey results is available only on paid SurveyMonkey plans. If your account is upgraded, you're ready to proceed. To get started, sign into your SurveyMonkey account and open the survey that contains the responses you want to download. Once the survey is open, navigate to the Analyze Results section. This is where all your response data is displayed. From the Analyze Results tab, click on Save As, then select Export Files. This will open the export options, where you can choose the type of data you want to download. If you want a high-level overview with charts and summaries, select All Summary Data. This option is ideal for reports or presentations. If you prefer raw response data entered by each participant, choose All Responses Data. For a complete breakdown of each individual's full response, select All Individual Responses. Next, choose your preferred file format. You can export your data as a PDF for a polished, easy-to-share document or as a PowerPoint file if you're preparing slides. For data analysis, XLS or SNV formats work best, especially if you plan to use Excel or other analytics tools. If you're working with statistical software, the SPSS AV format is the most suitable option. Once your selections are complete, click Export. The export process may take a few moments depending on the size of your survey. When it's ready, go to the Export section, where your file will be available for download. Keep in mind that exported files remain available for download for up to 14 days, so be sure to save them to your device within that time. And that's it. You now know how to download SurveyMonkey results quickly and efficiently, giving you full control over your survey data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech guides like this.